Hi, second grade. Welcome back to Wit and Wisdom, Module 4, Lesson number 5. Let's go ahead and read our I can statements. I can write a topic sentence. I can find something that would absorb a spill. I know you can't see that, but that word is spill. So our module questions Ms. L talked to you about yesterday was our essential question. Remember what we're looking for the whole module is how can food nourish us? Okay, our focusing question that we're going to be answering here these next few lessons, let's read. How can food nourish my body? And that word nourish means to provide food needed to live, grow, and stay healthy. And our craft question is, what is a topic sentence? All right, let's dive in. So yesterday, you talked with Miss L about some text features, and we're going to go ahead and revisit those. So do you see a text feature on this page? If you said yes, nice work. I see a text feature. What text feature do you see? If you said a bold word, great job. Where do you see that bold word? If you said right there, you're right. So I know that the bold words are important words. They're also great examples of topic-specific words. That's going to be really important one to keep in mind when we're writing our paragraphs. We want to make sure that we use those topic-specific words to make our writing more interesting. Do you remember where we can find what these bold words mean if we're not sure? If you said the glossary, you are right. And what does this word absorbed mean? Miss L told us it's an ABC order, so I see it's ABS. ABS. Oh, there it is. It's the very first one. Absorb. Let's read that together. To take in through very small openings. So something gets taken in through very small openings. Okay, nice work. We're going to go ahead and read this page together. And as we're reading, I want you to think, what does the body absorb? So we have our heading here, eat your vegetables. Let's read. Mom, do I have to eat my vegetables? Yes, honey, they're good for you. Why are they so good? They don't taste good. When you eat healthy food, it gives your body nourishment. What does that mean? Nourishment feeds your body so it can work the way it's supposed to work. What happens to food when we eat it? Well, the vitamins and other nutrients in the food get absorbed into the body. What does absorbed mean? It means they get soaked up into the bloodstream. But, Mom, how does that happen? You're stalling. Eat your vegetables. So, what does the body absorb? Do you know? If you said that vitamins and other nutrients get absorbed into the body, you are correct. Give yourself a pat on the back and say, good job, me. Nice work. There are some other words in here that were a little bit tricky, so we're going to go ahead and talk about them really quick. So we saw this word vitamins. Vitamins are kinds of nutrients in the food that the body needs to stay healthy. So like vitamin D, that helps our bones. Vitamin A helps our vision or how we see. Minerals are a kind of nutrient in the food that the body needs to stay healthy. Things like zinc, potassium, iron. Potassium especially is found in bananas. And we keep hearing this word nutrients. What does that mean? Nutrients are parts of food the body uses to do its work. So examples are carbohydrates, proteins, fat, minerals, vitamins, and water. And the last part is bloodstream, the blood flowing through the body. Okay, so I have some questions for you, and I'm not going to put them on the screen. My first question is, does the body absorb everything? If you said no, you are correct. What happens to the things that are absorbed? Oh, they're absorbed through the intestines. They get put back into the bloodstream. Okay, what happens if something is not absorbed into our body? So if it's not absorbed and you said it's released when you use the bathroom, you are correct. Nice work. And my last question is, if you spilled something in your house, like a water or a glass of milk, that happens a lot in my house with Finn, what could you use to absorb that mess? So if you said something like a sponge, a paper towel, a napkin, a tissue, a towel, all of those are great examples of something that can absorb or take in that spill. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and switch gears now. Nice work on this first job with absorb, and we're gonna move into our topic sentences. So yesterday, oh, I'm just all over the place here. Yesterday, Miss L went ahead and talked to you about the parts of an informative paragraph. We're gonna go ahead and review those again, just because it has been so long since we've had to write one of these. So we have an introduction, a topic sentence, evidence, what you did yesterday, and a conclusion. So I'm going to go ahead and click out of this, and you're going to help me sort things that are a topic sentence and not a topic sentence. All right. We're going to go ahead and move this up. All right, as much room as possible. So the esophagus has an important job during digestion. Thumb up if you think that is a topic sentence, or thumb down if you don't think that's a topic sentence. Okay, I see you. If you had your thumb up, it is a topic sentence. Okay, what about food travels down the esophagus to the stomach? Is that a topic sentence? Food travels down the esophagus to the stomach. No, that's not a topic sentence. That's not big enough. That's one little piece of what the digestion is. The digestive system has many important parts. Could that be a topic sentence? It is a topic sentence. Oh. And the last one, the job of the esophagus is to push down the food. Is this a topic sentence or is it not? It is not. Did I trick you? I don't know, maybe I did. All right. So now I know what a topic sentence is. How do I write one? That's a great question. So we said we were going to zoom in on our topic sentence, and it tells the essential or the important or the main idea, the most important thing. We make sure we answer the question. It comes near the beginning, and it tells the essential idea. So we're going to check our evidence because I know it works a lot easier for me to go ahead and take a look at the evidence to think of that big main idea and that important idea and answer the question. So for us, or for what I'm showing you, my question is, what important jobs does the small intestine do as part of the digestive system? So, if I'm answering the question, I'm going to start to think about how I could answer this question. What important jobs does the small intestine do as part of the digestive system? So I'm going to come right here in my text box in the orange. I'm going to delete it, and I'm going to say there are many important jobs the small intestine, oh, I misspelled, intestine does as part of the digestive system. So I'm making sure that I'm not too specific, because then that would be a piece of evidence, just like we saw with our sort and the esophagus. So I know that the small intestine has many important jobs because I know there's 2 pieces of evidence here that we found yesterday. So it's not one important job. There are many, there's a lot. I'm naming my part, the essential idea, as a part of the digestive system. Great. So now what you will do is you are going to go back to yesterday's assignment. You're going to open up the slide that has your graphic organizer, and you are going to type in the orange box here your topic sentence for the stomach. I can't wait to read them. Bye for today.